Okay, now we are going to discuss about a serverless travel itinerary planner by using Amazon location services. So, so in this project, we are going to use various services like S3, DynamoDB, AWS Lambda, and API Gateway, etc. So by using the geocode, we are going to get the latitude and longitude location, and we are going to store in the DynamoDB. So, first thing, what is Amazon Location Services? Amazon Location Services provides APIs for adding maps, tracking geofencing, and routing to applications securely and affordably. So now I am going to create an API in Amazon Location Services. Amazon Location Services. So here I am already inside the API because I have already created. Now, if you want to create, you can go and create here. So, maps. Uh, In these maps, there will be two types. First one is API keys, or you can use these API keys to get the map data from AWS locations and services. Or if you want, you can get through the AWS copy. So after getting the APIs, now you are going to paste in your index.html file. Okay. So suppose here is the API keys and here is the embedding system. Now you have to go and paste this in your HTML code to get your Amazon Location Services code. And now I'm going to create the AWS Lambda. Okay, first one. What is AWS Lambda? AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service that runs code in response to events without provisioning or managing servers. So now we are going to create two methods in AWS Lambda. First one is get map data and second one is inserting data. Getting map data is to retrieve your data from your website to the DynamoDB. So I have already given connection to the API gateway, which is going to be loaded now. See, I have given already get map data to the API gateway to retrieve its data. So Lambda functions is here. I have given the GeoPy code, which is used in Python. So geocoding in Python can be done using libraries like GeoPy to convert address into geographic coordinates and vice versa. So, if you give a particular location, it will automatically give its latitude and longitude and to store its data in my DynamoDB. So, this is the get service. So, get service is used to retrieve the data by using my API gateway and to store in the DynamoDB table. And now, the second function. Second function is inserting the data. Inserting the data is suppose I have to check the location of the India. Now I will give the India location to my website. So it will just insert the data inside my website and gives console I use it the console.log to check whether it is successfully executed or not. Now I'm going to for another service is API Gateway. API Gateway. What is API Gateway? API Gateway is a fully managed service that enables developers to create, publish, and manage secure APIs at any scale. So here I have created one API which is SDC API. If you want to create, go and here create it. So I am using REST API. REST API means Representational State Transfer API, which is an architectural style of building web services that use HTTP requests to retrieve, update, or delete the data. So if you want to build here, click build and create your new API. So here I have already created an SDC API for my AWS Lambda. Okay, now we are going for another service, which is S3 bucket. S3 bucket is nothing but to store the data. Which is sorry. Yes. So here, if you wanna create, if you don't have any bucket, you can create the bucket here. General purpose bucket. Give your bucket name here. And after of here, don't forget to unblock all the permissions because it will stop because it won't give any public access to our website to host it. So another website, we cannot search through our another website. So next, go down. So here we have to create the bucket for creating my bucket. So I already have created my bucket. It's, I think so, my bucket 355, right? So and last part is our DynamoDB. DynamoDB, which is used to store data, and it is a fully managed NoSQL database service that provides fast and scalable performance for applications with any size of data. So I have already created the table name SDC project. So to create the table, you have to give the table name here, and the partition key means partition key is is nothing like is same like a primary key in your SQL database. And sort key means whether you have to in ascending order, descending order, you have to give a sort key. It is optional whether you have to give or not. It's your choice. And partition key. Partition key is nothing but the parameter I have said already. So go down, and create. And here you have, and here you are going to create the table. If you create the table, uh, so after that now you. So here you will see a table name here. So here I have already created SDC project. So I'm going to go for the SDC project. So here I'm going to export my table items. So I have already completed the project, right? So here it is storing the latitude and longitude locations of our data and even its name also. So here I have given the name as the primary key. If you give another name, suppose I have given India here. If you give another India, it won't store in the DynamoDB because key is nothing but a primary key here. Amazon S3 is a scalable storage service for storing and retrieving any amount of data at any time. So now I'm going to open our S3 bucket. So if you want to create a bucket here, click create bucket, and here give your bucket name. Go down, go down. Don't forget to unblock all the access, all public accesses, because if it blocks all public accesses, you cannot check your website or host your website uh, on another platform. So after completing it, click here create bucket. I have already created my bucket, so I'm going for my bucket. Uh, 1 minute. It's just bucket. So here it is. I have created my bucket SDC here. So here is the index.html file. In index.html file, you have to use the Amazon Location Services code to queue your map data to your hosting website. So it is a static hosting, right? So go to the properties, go down and search here, bucket my website endpoint, copy it and paste it in your new tab so that you can access its location. So my internet is slow, so it is not showing here. So suppose I am giving name India. Oh, sorry, already I have given, right? So I am going to give Moscow. Moscow. So here the location coordinates are stored successfully. I'm going to inspect my page. Uh, so here it is already shown that the data has been inserted successfully in your DynamoDB. So now you will go and check your DynamoDB table whether the data of the Moscow has been inserted correctly or not. Okay, now go to the tables. I'm going to go to the STC project and I'm going to explore my items. So see here, Moscow has been successfully added and latitude and longitude of the Moscow has been provided by the geocode. So thank you. This is my project.